Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Fasting is not only about abstaining from food and drinks from dawn till sunset, but then also it involves the way you are able to protect your body parts from falling into what is known as haram. The easiest part of the fasting is to abstain from food and drink, and the difficult aspect is the way you will protect your body parts not to engage them into haram. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man lam yada' qawl az-zura wal 'amal bih, falaysa lillahi haja fi an yada'a ta'amahu wa sharabahu." Whosoever will not let go false speeches and immoral behaviors, evil actions once observing the fasting, then Allah is not in need of He leaving His food and drinks aside. That is, if you will observe fasting at the same time being engaged into telling lies, forging lies, or engaging into immoral behaviors that are not accepted in Islam, then there is no need you leave your food and your drink. You should be able to control your eyes. Don't look into something which is what haram once you are observing the fasting. Do not listen to what is haram once you are observing your fasting. Do not utter a word with your tongue which is bad, or to say something bad about your friends, or any other thing that is not accepted in Islam. Do not engage your body parts in them, or else you are just, fasting with hunger and thirst without any reward. May Allah the Almighty protect us all, and we should also try our best to make sure we do what is right once we are observing the fasting, so that we will get the full reward of the fasting we are doing. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.